Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post-market show. Today's market, it was again consolidation as discussed. So yesterday there was consolidation with huge volatility. Today also we had consolidating market overall. Markets did not move either side significantly up or significantly down. It traded in a very tight range today. Let's look into the charts and see what has happened. I have the chart of this is back Nifty. Let's start with Nifty first. Yeah, Nifty has ended at 19,398. It is almost flat, 0.05 percentage in the green, as you can see. The first candle itself was the first 15-minute candle was a long candle, and then markets consolidated in that very range throughout. And after 245, there was an up move, but again it wasn't significantly higher. So that is what the markets have traded with. So nothing much to see here. We have markets making a high of 19,420 levels, and again coming down and trading around 19,340 levels. So that was the range for Nifty throughout the day. Talking about Bank Nifty, this was what was particularly weak. So Bank Nifty had definitely a weaker kind of day today. You can see that it opened decently, and then slowly and steadily it moved down, and it took support exactly where we talked about 45,080 levels, or let's say 45,075 to 80 levels is where it took support. So this is Bank Nifty. It was downtrending and mainly because of HDFC twins. So HDFC Bank was dragging the Bank Nifty down, and that is why we are seeing Bank Nifty down by so much. And it was mainly because there was some loan growth and deposit growth figures which HDFC Bank had come out with. The market was not happy with those data. That is why there was a sell-off in these in the stocks. And coming to mid caps, small caps, mid caps after yesterday's fall, they are again back up. It is up by 0.7 percentage today. Nifty small cap continue to move up by 0.62 percentage today. Mid cap, small cap again ending in the green. That is good to see. Sector wise, most sectors have ended in the green. Only two sectors are slightly down. One is Nifty Financial Services, so Fin Nifty, it is down 0.82 percentage. Other one is Nifty Private Bank, and this is mainly because of HDFC Bank, which I told you. It is down by 0.08 percentage. Apart from that, all the sectors ended in the green. The best performing sector is Nifty FMCG, up by 1.82 percentage. Followed by we have Nifty Automobile Index, which is up by 1.64 percentage, and this is mainly because of Maruti stocks. They have launched a new model of Invictus, which is similar to the Innova High Cross. So that has raised the enthusiasm in the auto stocks, and that is why 1.64 percentage up is the Nifty Auto Index. And apart from that, we also have Nifty PSU Bank for the third straight day, good up move, up by again 1.03 percentage. So this is the the sectors which have done well. Coming to index movers, we have ICICI Bank up by 1.4 percentage, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Maruti, we talked about Maruti, Bajaj Auto, and HDFC Life. These are the top contributor on the Nifty on the positive side, and HDFC twins are on the negative, like I told you about them. And Reliance Industries also fell slightly, and Aisha Motors also down by 2.7 percentage. So this is the entire scenario. We are seeing mostly HDFC twins are dragging the markets down, but auto, then PSU Bank, and also we have the FMCG sectors helping the markets to move higher. So this is the situation right now. Coming to FII activities, FIIs continue their buying streak, buying for another 1600 crores today. DIIs have sold again for 439 crores. Now coming to the the global markets, and let us see what is happening. As you know, yesterday US market was closed, and today it is finally open. Right now S&P 500 is trading slightly negative, 0.14 percentage down. Dow Jones is down by 0.23 percentage, and Nasdaq is slightly up by 0.13 percentage. So US market is consolidating at best, and European markets look particularly weak. All the major European markets like UK market is down, the French market is down by 0.8 percentage, and German market is also down by 0.63 percentage. So this is the situation. Coming to the Asian markets, Hong Kong market is down by 1.57 percentage, and Chinese market is also down by 1.13 percentage. And also Hong Kong, the Korean market and Japanese market are also weak. So overall, it is a bearish global scenario right now. And talking about VIX, India VIX is up by 1.56 percentage once more. It is at 11.88. So VIX is inching higher and higher as time passes. Crude oil prices have moved up higher once again as expected. And talking about gold, gold is again down, and we talked about this level acting as a resistance. It seems like it is acting as a resistance as of now. Let's see what happens to gold prices. Dollar index is slightly higher by 0.15 percentage. It is at 103.29. So this is the situation. Let us talk about the open interest, because tomorrow is the 6th of July and it is the weekly expiry for Nifty. And put call ratio is again down today. It is at 1.32, still bullish, but the extreme bullishness scenario has slightly come down. For the last 3 days, it has been coming down consistently, and this is because market they haven't moved anywhere, and people are now selling call options pretty aggressively. Now 19,500 has the highest call option, and 19,300 has the highest amount of put option. So this is what people are expecting, and also straddle is built up at 19,400. So that has a combined premium of 50 plus 42 points, around 92 points range is what is expecting. So people are expecting an expiry range of 19,300 on the downside and 19,500 on the upside based on the open interest data. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have 45,000 on the downside acting as a good support. A lot of puts have been added, and upside 45,500 and 45,300 have a good amount of call options written there. And as you can see today, mostly people have sold call options since markets, the Bank Nifty have been falling steadily today. So people have sold aggressively 45,300 call options, and put call ratio is down to 1.08. So that is what has happened in Bank Nifty. It was very bullish the day before yesterday. Yesterday the bullishness has come down, and today again it has come down significantly. It is almost neutral position is what we can see based on the put call ratio. So this is Bank Nifty for you. Expected range 45,300 first resistance, 45,500 next resistance, 45,000 on the downside is looking as a good support level. And now let us look at the price action based levels. So Nifty, the levels to watch out for is definitely 19,330 on the downside. We have marked this level as well. Today it took support and reversed from there. So definitely this is it is becoming an important level. Upside, you can take the all-time high levels of 19,433. That is Tuesday's or yesterday's high. You can take that as a resistance, and the same view continues as long as this level is broken on the upside. Yesterday's high, we can expect an up move, and on the downside 19,330 is broken on the downside, then we can expect a down move. So you can trade accordingly in case of Nifty. Otherwise people who are selling options, they can sell around 19,250 and below, or maybe 19,200 and below, and upside 19,600 and above. I think that should be a comfortable range, but it is an expiry day. Things can get volatile pretty fast, especially in the second half, so keep an eye out for those as well. Coming to Bank Nifty, it is in a downtrend, but we have seen 45,070 levels acting as a good support multiple times, so do watch out for that. If that is broken, we can expect 45,000 should be acting as a support, and it is near the level as well. But if that is broken, we can expect markets to move further down. The next support comes around 44,750 to 700 levels. So that is what is happening in Bank Nifty. Upside 45,000 640 to 50 levels. That is the all-time high level of Bank Nifty. That should be acting as a resistance. Otherwise, it could be a consolidation with huge volatility for Bank Nifty. Economic calendar wise, we had today the Indian services PMI data coming out at For 58.5, expectation was 60.2, and it is below expectation. So market did not react that well, but still it is above 50 levels, which is which is benchmark. Usually 50 above, we are saying it's a good data. 50 below is bad. So 50 and above, it's at 58.5. So it is all good, but it has not beaten the estimation or estimates, is what we are seeing. So this is the situation right now. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry, first expiry of July series. I hope it goes well. There could be volatility, expect volatility obviously, especially in the second half, with premiums and strike prices written so close to the market. And if there is a big up move or down move, there can be a more follow through as well. So keep an eye out for that. Also, the VIX is also rising. Keep an eye out on that as well. So that is all from my side. Hope you have a good expiry. We will meet again tomorrow. And thank you for watching, and have a very good night.